Hello everyone, welcome back to our English class. We are dealing with the fifth unit, Enlightening Soul, in which the first lesson, Happiness Machine, which was written by Ray Douglas Bradbury. Now, let's recall the story. Okay, can you tell me who is the main character of the story? Yes, Leo Hoffman is the main character of the story who decided to make a happiness machine. Should the machine be something you carry in your pocket or something that carries you in its pocket? Then he asked many questions to his wife Lena. And Lena replied that she was happy in doing all the household works, but Lena don't like her husband asking such crazy questions because unhappiness most of the time will happen due to some problem. Leo Hoffman started working day and night at his workshop and finally made his happiness machine. Lena complained that Leo didn't care his children and added that man cannot make such changes. The next morning, Leo found all his neighbors looking around his garage. His wife asked him that could the machine make old man young, or she will be happy if he died of overwork, or can the machine do all the household works, etc. So, by hearing this, Leo decided to test the machine the next day. That night, he heard a sound of a cry and found that his son was crying in his bed, and he also found that his son had entered the garage. At last, Lena agreed to test the machine by getting into it. Her son Saul was sad because he had an experience in the machine, and Naomi was also tensed because they heard some sound from the machine. At first, it was a happy moment. We stopped till here, no? So let's see the rest of the story. She was surprised that she was dancing. Amazing voice of Lena came out from it, and Leo became happy. But suddenly, she started crying. Leo opened the door, but she was not able to stop her cry and said that at first she felt that it is Paris and she had never gone to Paris. She felt of dancing, but she had never danced for 20 years. Leo tried to console her by saying that he will take her to the dance house, but he failed in that and he became gloomy. She complains that who wants a sunset to last forever? And Leo decided to test the machine by himself. The machine started groaning. He started relaxing by hearing the music, but he heard his kids crying, "Fire, Papa, fire!" The machine got fire and the boys pulled him out, breaking the door. A low sound of explosion was heard. So now what happened at the end? Our happiness machine got fire. Now let's see the model reading of this part of the lesson, okay? Page number 166, last line. The blue Danube was heard from inside. Music and dancing. Only she thinks she's dancing, he announced to the world. Amazing voice rang from inside again. Leo Hoffman blushed with pride. Suddenly his smile faded when he heard someone crying inside. "She's crying," said Naomi. "She can't be. She's like a baby," said Saul. "No, she simply can't be." He opened the door. "Please, Lee, let me finish." She cried for some more. Stunned, he turned off the machine. "It is the saddest thing in the world," she said. "First, there was Paris. What is wrong with Paris? You made me feel that I'm in Paris, but I know I'm not. I could never be. You made me dance on the dance floor, but we haven't danced for 20 years. I will take you to dance house tomorrow morning." Leo tried to console her. No, it's not important, even though your machine thinks it is important." "What else?" Leo Hoffman became gloomy. "What else? The machine says I'm young, but I know that I'm not. Your machine makes a sunset last forever, the air fragrant and the temperature fine. Then what is sad in it? Who wants a sunset to last forever? We always like sunset when it comes and goes. How long can I watch the sunset when our children wait for lunch, dishes to be washed and beds to be made? You made the quick things go slow and brought far away things come close. It shouldn't be. We like quick things for they are quick and far away things as they are not easily reachable. I still do not understand what's wrong with the machine. Let me check it. He sat down inside the machine and shut the door. The machine started quivering and growling again. When he just began to float with colors and music in great relaxation, he heard someone screaming, "Fire, Papa! The machine is on fire!" The boy dragged him out when someone broke the door open. A muffled explosion was heard from behind. Okay, I hope you understood. Read the page number 166 to 168 for more than 2 to 3 times. Understand the meaning of new words. And if there is any doubt, you can ask me. See you in the next class.